This is Technical Drawings Part 2. So the last thing we need to do is we need to get images of each cabinet so we can build assembly drawings. Okay, so one of the easiest ways to do that is we just pick one of the components, then we can highlight all of the um, items that were visible and invisible, managed, and then unhide all of those. Okay, and then zoom out, and now we've only got the cabinets that we're interested in. Okay, so pick all the cabinets and choose create image. Okay, and now what we're doing, you can see this moving across the top. We're just handling the images for all of the cabinets. Okay, so this one's called Full Kitchen SKP, and I've got a full kitchen SKP, and as you can see here I've got an image for each cabinet, and these images are done with door and without door. Okay, obviously when we have a door only cabinet, that's what we get. So now that we've done that, it's easy enough to simply run the reports, go over and import this all into CutMaster, and then take a look at the assembly drawings. So now we have assembly drawings for each cabinet that we've built. Along with all the cabinets parts. Okay, thank you very much. Bye now.